Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix no sound or audio issue FragPunk. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having issues with FragPunk here and you're not hearing anything, so you all know that footsteps and any kind of sound from the game is something really important. So the first thing that you want to do here is want to make sure that your sound settings are properly set up. So in this case, at the bottom right, you want to go and click on your sound icon. And you just need to make sure that you've set this to the correct sound. So in this case, you want to click on select a sound output icon here, and you want to select the appropriate one. So if you're using a let's just say the speaker, make sure to use the speaker that you have right now, or if you want to use your headset, make sure to use your headset here. Now also, one other thing that you need to do here is you want to access the option here for your volume settings. So let's go access this one. So in here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit, and you need to make sure it's not muted. So if you're let's just say your speaker is muted here, you will not be able to hear anything here. So yeah, so just make sure it's not muted, and also you want to go to volume mixer here. And you want to make sure that FragPunk is not muted as well. Now, sometimes you may not notice here. Sometimes the game might be muted accidentally. So you want to make sure it's not muted, or it has like enough volume in it. Like, for example, it's not 0 or it's above 20. So let's just 50, 60, or even 100 here. So yeah, just make sure it's not muted. Now, another thing that you need to make sure here is you want to go ahead and see your default apps or your default mic or your sounds here. So in this case, at the bottom right again, you want to right click on your, let's just say your sound settings in, go to sound settings, and you want to go ahead and look for something similar to more sound settings. You should see this small pop-up here. So you want to go ahead and go to playback, and you want to make sure that you select the appropriate sound or which playback device that you currently have that you want to use. So you want to right click on it, and you want to go ahead and choose this as set as default device. So every time you play the game, this is going to be the default device that you'll be using. So go ahead and do that, and you should no longer have any problems on it. Another thing that you may want to do is you want to go inside the game here, and you want to go ahead and access your settings at the bottom right here. You want to go to audio, and you want to make sure that your audio is not muted, or at least you have like 150. It has some value onto it. So yeah, make sure even especially the master volume here, you could go and just increase it to like make it 100 or whatever. And yeah, another thing you may need to do here is you may need to update your drivers. So in this case, just access device manager here, and from here you want to go ahead and look for something similar to sound. Let's go ahead and choose sound, video, and game controller, and you want to look for your speaker here, whatever device you have. So in this case, maybe you have a Logitech gaming headset here. Right click on it, just click on update driver, and just choose search automatic for drivers, and it will automatically update itself. But yeah, so those are the things that you can start doing here, and that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.